Good morning friends, welcome to online classes, Mathematics, Standard 5th, Chapter number 2, Number Works. In that subtopic is bigger and smaller number. Okay, so what is meant by bigger number and the smaller number will go through in this topic. Okay, so the first some here dialogues are given. First of all, we'll read the dialogues and what they want to say. We'll see. Hamid, how do we determine the smaller and bigger number when we are dealing with 6 or 7 digit number? Okay, so Hamid is asking how we can determine the smaller and the largest number when we are dealing with 6 or 7 digit number. Means for if we have a small number or 3 or 4, 5, 6, we can by seeing also we can say that 3 is smaller than 4. Okay, so here they are asking about the bigger number, how we can determine. Teacher, you have learned how to do that with the 5 digit number. The number with the bigger than 1000 digits is the bigger number. If they are the same, we look at the 1000 digits to determine the smaller and bigger number. They want to say that if we have 10,000 digit number, we have always will check the numbers starting, okay, and then the second number. Here we can see that both the side we have 5 digit number. Okay, so if you see how we can determine that which is greater and which is, first of all we have to see the 10,000 place. 10,000 place is this. 10,000 place is first one. Okay, so if both the 10,000 place is same, here it is 1 and here it is 1, we'll check the 1000 place. Okay, so now if it is both is 1 1, so we'll check this 1000 place. Now it is 2 and now it is here it is 3. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So that means this number will be greater. 3 is greater, so this side is greater. So this means 13,543 is greater as compared to 12,543. So first we'll take another example to understand this. Now both the side we have 5 digit. Okay, so now we have what we have to do. First of all, we have to check the first digit, means this place. If this place is equal, we have to check the second place. If the second place also will be equal, we have to check the third place. If the third place will also be equal, we have to check fourth place. Okay, as we have to check each and every place. Now here it is 1 1, it is equal. Now we'll check this place. Both side now it is 2 2. We'll check the third place, means we'll check the 100 place. If 100 place is also equal, we'll check the tens place. Now here if you see, you can find it is here 2 and here it is 1. Which is greater? Obviously 2 is greater as compared to 1. So this is greater. Here we have 12,223 and here we have 12,213. Okay, so first of all we have to check the digits, means first of all we have to check the 10,000 place. If we are talking about 5 digit number, we have to check the 10,000 place, then 1000 place, then 100, the tens, then units. Okay, and from this we can easily identify which is greater number, which is smaller number. Hamid, yes, I can. Now the teacher is asking, now can you tell me how to compare the 6 or 7 digit number? Hamid, yes, I can. First we'll look at the 10,000 we first will look the 10 lakh digits. If they are same, we'll look at the digit in the lakh place. Okay, first in the, if we are talking about 6 or 7 digit number, first we'll check the 10 lakh digit, then lakh, then 10,000, then thousand, and then hundred, then tens, then unit. Okay, as we have done in the 5th digit number, we will do in the 6th digit number also the same, and we can easily identify which is greater and which is smaller. So now further we'll see the problem set 6. Okay, here you can easily identify that how many digits we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These numbers are in 7 digit number. Let me check this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both side we have 7 digit. So the numbers is in 10 lakh. Okay, so first of all I told you, first we'll check the first one, means 10 lakh place. This here it is, we have 2, here we have 1, that means this side is greater. This is 22 lakh 74,705. Here we have 12 lakh 74,705. That means this 22 lakh is greater as compared to 12 lakh. Okay, so here like that also, here also we can do. We have here 6 digit number. This side also we have 6 digit number. I told you, first of all, if both the side we have equal same digit number, we have to check the first place, then second, then third, then like that, so on we can check and we can identify which is greater and which is smaller. Here we have, in the first place we have 3 and here also 3. In the second place we have 5 and 5. So we'll check this place. Here it is also 3 and 3. And here it is 3 and here it is 2. That means this side is greater. Okay, here we have 35 lakh 33,302. Here we have 35 lakh 32,302. That means this is great. This side is greater as compared to this side. Okay. Now question number 2. Solve the problem given below. The Swami Siddha saving group made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swami Mani group made 2,95,000 papad. Which group made the more papad? If you see that 3,45,000 is greater as compared to 2,95,000. So obviously first group made the more papad. Okay. Question number 2. Children of a primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seed? As we can see here it is 2 lakh and here we have 3 lakh. Obviously Pune district children collected more seeds. Third, the number of people who took part in the Republic Day flag hosting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandharpur Taluka and 1,97,208 in the Malshiras Taluka. In which Taluka did the largest number of people participate? In the Pandharpur Taluka we have 2 lakh, near about 2 lakh, and in the Malshiras Taluka we have 1,97,000. Obviously in the Pandharpur Taluka more people took participate. Okay.